Thought we'd have a bit of fun with the donor car and show you what engine's going in it. It's a Lexus LS400, it's about 300 horsepower and 300 foot-pound of torque, 4 litre V8. So let's turn it on. Oh yeah, I forgot to say it's open headers at the moment, so it's quite loud. It sounds quite nice. We're just going to have a look at the other donor car. Do you want to talk a little bit about it?
Yeah, so this is another TC 4-pot. This one was in a really bad state, probably worse than mine when we got it, to be fair. Yeah, it's gone. So
where is it?
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. At some point, hopefully, we can sell it off to someone. Maybe they can do something. You never know. But,
well, yours was close to this state.
Yeah,
to be
it
fair,
wasn't quite
so
as bad as that. To be fair.
No,
but yeah, it's like the chassis and the engine bay bit. It's like pretty decent. I mean, there's a lot of surface rust, but for now, we basically used the engine and gearbox out of this one and put it into mine because it was a lot better. And there were quite a few things off this that we've used and transferred it onto my car. And I also use it quite a bit for prototyping things. But we've got a few more things we want to trial on this. And then it will be going off to someone, I think.
Okay, this is just a few days later after the footage you just saw, and we're just going to give you a quick update on what's been happening with this car.
So we've taken most of the wiring out of it now, labelled it all up. Well, you did that, I didn't do that. So we've taken all like the coils off, injectors, all that sort of stuff. Taken the alternator out as well, the aircon, because we're not keeping that.
It was in there.
Yeah, the aircon, the pump's actually still down there, because obviously with everything that's going on at the moment, we can't get someone out to get rid of the gas. So I was just like, might as well just take the pulley off, and then we can keep the system closed because it's still got gas in it, and then we can still take the engine out.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. Obviously, most of the front's missing as well.
Yeah, there's nothing on it at the moment. No. So apart from this beefy ass crash bar, yeah. Oh, it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick.
But yeah, and the basic plan is we'll probably chop this because this is like, you know, part of the structure, so we can't actually unbolt it. I've tried to save most bits, but
we're not really that bothered anyway. So
no, I don't want to wreck things, but like I've got to get it out. So
yeah,
I'll probably chop it just to make it easier. So we'll probably cut from like kind of there, get rid of this panel, and this radiator's got to stay attached, but I can kind of bend it out.
Just
of the way.
flop it out of the way.
Yeah, because this one's attached to the aircon because it has two. I've taken one out, but this is the aircon one. And then we'll try and take it out, and then we can start working on it. But yeah,
that's pretty much it
so far. So this is the RX-8 to 1UZ adapter kit from PMC. So let's have a look inside at what we get. Lots of cardboard. It's good, keeping it all safe. So we got our lightened flywheel, which is still heavy, but it's lighter than the other ones. I'm pretty sure this is billet aluminium, but I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure it is. But it's really nice. A lot of studs in the back of that. But yeah, and this is designed so that the input shaft from the RX-8 gearbox goes straight into this without any alterations being needed, which is cool. What else we got? Got a little box of bolts. So for the adapter plate and the flywheel and all that kind of stuff. Aha. And then we got the main bit we need, which is the actual adapter plate, which is super nice. We've got space for the starter. We've got the little 1UZ to RX8. Well, it says RX7 as well, but RX8.
Yeah, I'll fit both gearboxes and the 6 and the 5-speed from, but missing the gearbox.
Yeah, we don't have the gearbox, so we can't actually put any of this stuff on right now. But when the engine's out and when the lockdown's lifted, hopefully, we can get a gearbox and then bolt it all together.
What do we have here? I wonder. Ooh.